The most common contexts you'll come across in archaeology are feature cuts, deposits, and of course, alien stargates. And this tutorial will focus on recording 2 of these. Diggit is efficient and user-friendly, with archaeological information entered through quick and easy button taps. It saves you a huge amount of time by only requiring you to enter information that's shared amongst the feature's contexts once. Then, Diggit automatically copies this over to each context for you. If your composition is a sand, Diggit asks you to describe its granularity. If it's pebbles or cobbles, Diggit asks you for its sorting type. Upload it from your library or camera roll. Once you've taken or chosen your photo, crop it, tap Choose, and done. We have an optional notes area, which is there in case there's anything extra you wish to add that you couldn't earlier. We want to copy over all the related description information from the identical context, which is a great way of saving time. Our new feature slot has been submitted, and because we're online, it's also synced to Diggit's cloud servers. Fantastic.